Let's make soft and fluffy whole wheat bread without eggs or any special ingredients. First, in a bowl, take 85 gram of lukewarm water. Add 28 gram of sugar and mix well. Now add 3 gram of instant yeast and mix again. Let it rest for 10 minutes until it becomes frothy like this. Once our yeast is activated, add 150 gram of whole wheat flour, half teaspoon of salt, 40 ml of room temperature milk, 10 gram of room temperature butter. Mix everything to form a loose dough. Now dust your work surface with flour and transfer the dough. Knead for 10 to 15 minutes. If the dough feels too sticky after 5 minutes, add a little flour. If it feels dry, add 1 teaspoon of milk or water at a time and continue kneading. Knead until the dough passes the window pane test. It should stretch thin enough to let light pass through without tearing. Form a smooth dough ball. Now cover and let it rise until doubled, about 1 hour depending on room temperature. This is our first proof. After the first proof, deflate the dough and shape it into a log to fit your 6-inch tin. Grease the tin well with oil and place the dough inside. Cover with a kitchen towel and let it proof for 30 to 45 minutes. Now bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 11 to 14 minutes until you hear a hollow sound when tapping the top. To prevent over browning, you can cover it with a foil. As soon as it's out of the oven, brush with butter for a soft crust. Demold immediately. Leaving it in the tin can make it soggy. Let it cool completely before slicing. Look how soft our whole wheat bread turned out. Now the bonus quick and healthy protein sandwich recipe. Mash some boiled chickpeas and season it with salt and pepper. Take a bread slice and spread hunkered dip on it. I have seasoned the hunkered with salt and pepper and a drizzle of honey. Layer with lettuce, mashed chickpeas, cucumber and tomato slices. Sprinkle chaat masala for a burst of flavor. Then top with another bread slice, spread with hunkered dip. That's it. A delicious and healthy protein sandwich is ready. Try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. Like, share and subscribe to Spoiled by Coco. I'm Apurvi, sharing eggless baking recipes every week. Thank you for watching.